everybody. So today I'm gonna show you how I make the viral bulldog spicy ramen. This is the best recipe I've pulled together. So I hope you like it. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Also, I have a bit of a cold, so yeah. Okay, so here is what you're going to be needing. Of course, a package of bulldog ramen. I prefer the black package or regular flavor for this recipe, but you can use the bulldog carbonara or the pink package if you want. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of QP mayonnaise, and you want to get the QP mayonnaise and not the American kind because the QP mayonnaise has a more tangy flavor to it. You'll want to get a teaspoon of minced garlic and 3 chicken fetuses and some toppings like green onions, or I'm not showing it here, but chili oil. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So what you're gonna want to do for the first step is take 2 of your 3 eggs and boil them to make the ramen eggs for the side. You can boil your ramen eggs however you like. However, for this recipe, I like a hard-boiled egg, so I let them boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. So you're gonna want to go ahead and get the bowl that you plan on eating this ramen out of, and you're gonna add together your ingredients. So we're gonna go ahead and put in the bulldog seasoning and spice packet. Here's your reminder, I only used a little less than half of this packet and it was still pretty spicy. Bulldog ramen sauce is really spicy, so just beware, it's delicious but really spicy. And then you're gonna go ahead and get your QP mayo, minced garlic, and your egg, the third one you saved, and you're just gonna want to put the what is that thing called? The bloopy, the yolk, the egg yolk in the center of the egg in your mixture. Yeah. Then you're gonna want to go ahead and mix your sauce all together. Yeah, like so. So the next step is to boil your noodles. I saved the water left over from boiling my eggs, but you can do it however you'd like. Yeah, the package says 5 minutes. I do 3 to 5, and yeah. So like once your noodles are done boiling, you're then gonna ladle some of the starchy noodle water into the bowl where you made your sauce. And this is gonna make the sauce into a ramen base sort of thing. And then I went ahead and added my noodles like so. So like after adding your noodles, you're gonna want to add 1 hard-boiled egg, 2 hard-boiled egg, and chili oil, and whatever toppings you would like otherwise. And then here is my sick and tired self enjoying this delicious bowl of ramen, and yeah, it's really good. Be careful though, once again, it is spicy. On to the outro. Thanks for watching. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. My Instagram, eBay, and PO Box are down below. Go ahead and click on any of the end screen stuff. If you liked watching this video, watch another one of mine because that helps us cool. Okay, bye.